I'm good. I'm in a happy place right now. Diba? I'm good. I'm in a happy place right now. Diba? Peaceful place.
Kamusta ba ang puso mo ngayon ng birthday mo?
Masaya!
My heart is so full kasi grabe yung mga blessings na dumarating and also yung pagmamahal ng mga natin. Salamat po. Grabe, I'm so grateful. Oo.
Okay, safe. Pero totoo, Bes. This 2025, anong gusto mong i-manifest for yourself?
Siguro more projects. Work pa rin na yung gusto ko i-manifest. More work, more blessings gusto ko i-manifest. And also, makompleto yung album ko this year.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Everyone is waiting for whatever you do. Live performances, album singing, whatever that you do there, you do it so well.
Thank you
So
so
for all of
much.
us here, we love you, and we appreciate all that you do. You bring so much pride to this country. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Come on, everyone. And thank you guys once again for the happy birthday to you.
Opo, maraming salamat din po sa ASAP family ko. Thank you po sa Star Magic, Star Music. You guys are the best. Maraming salamat. To my mom, my dad, my little sister. Maraming salamat for always.
Para sa taong nagpapasaya sa akin ngayon, lagi mong tatandaan, kahit anong layo ng distansya natin ngayon, lagi kitang pipiliin. Wala akong ibang gusto kundi makita at makasama ka. Kaya habang hindi pa natutupad yon, stay ka lang ha. Malapit na mangyari. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Natagpuan ko na daw yung one true love ko. Sana talaga makikita na siya.